name is Dr. Rajesh Khajuria, Commissioner, ACBSP or Accreditation Council for Business Schools and Programs in the United States. We have 1100 member campuses in 60 plus nations, making ACBSP one of the largest accreditation council with global mandate in the world. India has come of its age with G20 leadership. Thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Government of India, amply supported by the state governments, that India for the first time has gained the leadership at the top position amongst developed and developing nations. What does it mean for this 1 year leadership? And how can Indian universities take advantage of India's leadership? There are ways and means that I will be discussing in the conference on G20 organized by Panjab University with Government of India and a few ministries. Think it over. It has never happened what India is today. India helped Ukraine with the humanitarian aids. India helped Jakarta to retain Bali language in the last G20 conference. India provided vaccines to the entire world, many of them free of charge. And India is again proving its undisputed leadership by not aligning with either West or Russia. And you know that we are now 30% of our petroleum imported from Russia, when the last year the West advised us not to do so. India retains its own sovereignty. My friends, a number of scientists, a number of innovators, a number of technologies, a number of professors are coming to address this conference. If you wish that you want to be at the forefront of knowledge about how you can take advantage of India's leadership at G20, please register and come to attend to Chandigarh, Panjab University on March 4, 2023, and see you there.